Hello everyone, myself Ariba Khan. I'm the student of Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University. As you can see right now, I'm standing in front of the university. It comes under the top 10 universities of Ukraine. It has an European standard of teaching, that is, each batch has 10 students so that every student can get their knowledge properly. And we are more than 2,000 Indian students in this university because the MCI result of this university is really high and the package of fees structure is really affordable for every individual to afford. I am really satisfied with the environment and the society of the university.
Hello everyone, I am in library of Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University. It has more than 6 libraries which are really very huge, having about 8 to 10 lakhs books. It's really very convenient for international students to get medical books from here. In the library there is free Wi-Fi and computers are available. Library is also providing free iTutor and recorded lecture to refresh their knowledge.
Myself Ansh Bhargav. I am from UP. I am studying in Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University. Right now I am living in hostel. There are 6 hostels. For boys and girls there are separate hostels. The main thing is about security. No any third person can enter in the hostels. There is very safe for the girls. The rooms are well furnished. They are also providing us free Wi-Fi. 24 hours hot water supplies and heaters are also available. They clean our room every week and I am fully satisfied with the hostel.
This is Tejaswini Aman, studying in Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University, Ukraine, and I would like to share my experience with you all. Eurasia is providing us such an amazing food facility, the mess, where we can get all the food that we can get in India. And it's really convenient that it is nearby to the hostel. Apart from the mess, we can get cafes, restaurants and magazines which are available 24/7. So it's really convenient and I'm really satisfied.
I'm Yunika Sodhi. I'm studying in Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University in the very first course. I came here through Eurasia Education Link. Right now I'm standing on the bus stop. As we could see, we could catch buses in every 2 to 3 minutes. So we don't have any problem going to our hospitals on correct time. And it is really very safe for girls. We could even book taxis and take trams. We could travel whole around Ukraine with a special student I-card on discount. And I am really very happy and satisfied with the transport system.
Myself Tanya Harshika. I am a student of Ivano-Frankovsk National Medical University. Right now I am in the center of the city. This city is really beautiful and the environment is really safe for girls. The people here are very friendly and cooperative as well. Here we have a lot of places to hang out with and a lot of tourist places as well to go and explore. I'm really enjoying the city and I'm really happy.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Masroor. I am an orthopedic surgeon from Ukraine. I am founder and CEO of Eurasia Education Link Private Limited. Our company is working past 13 years for abroad studies. Proud to say we are one of the biggest consultancy in India. We are running almost 24 branches in all over India. We are sending maximum number of students every year in different universities, and we are providing 100% invitation and visa assurance. Our main goal is to fulfill students' dreams at very affordable price. Main thing is responsibility. Responsibility, we are giving good services to students. We are giving very fast invitation, fast visa. We are giving good transportation from airport to university. We are giving good accommodation to students. Nice Indian food we are providing. We are doing our best. We are giving our best to students in admission processes. I would like to thank whole Eurasia team to making us #1 company for abroad studies. We are very happy. We are growing every year. It shows faith.
Here we have a lot of places to hang out with and a lot of tourist places as well to go and explore. I'm really enjoying the city and I'm really happy.
don't keep trust on other agents. Just they are trying to misguide you, and they will just take money from you. They will provide you fake admission letter. You have to check admission letter also. You should call in international departments. Is my seat booked in your university? That only Lespero consultancy can give you this trust, because they will provide you only the legal and official admission letter and invitation letters. Because if you will call on that number, what will be the mention on the admission letter or invitation letter, we will receive your call, or department will receive your call immediately. We will inform you from here your admission is done, or just some agent just cheated you and they will send you to another university. Some people, what they are doing, they are just editing and they are giving fake admission letters to other students. So please don't keep trust on other agents who are just opening the new offices in your cities. Some people are only the official partners with the company and university.
ആലി, ഞാൻ കടത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവാന ഫ്രാങ്കിസ് നാഷണൽ മെഡിക്കൽ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയുടെ ഫ്രണ്ടിലാണ്. ഇതാണ് എൻ്റെ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വന്നത് ലാസ്പ്രോ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ കൺസൾട്ടൻസി വഴിയായിരുന്നു. അവരാണ് എൻ്റെ ഫുൾ കാര്യം നോക്കി വിസയായാലും എല്ലാ ഫുൾ പ്രോസസ്സിങ് അവരായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളെ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചത് അവർ തന്നെയാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടുത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാം നല്ലതാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നല്ല രീതിക്ക് പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാം നല്ലോണം നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ നമുക്കിവിടെ ഉക്രൈൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ് പഠിപ്പിക്കും അവർ. കാര്യം ഇവിടെ ഉക്രൈൻ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഭയങ്കര ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ആണ്. അതതിന് പ്രത്യേകം ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ട്, അവർ പഠിപ്പിക്കും. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ വെതറിനെ പറ്റി പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ വെതർ ഒരു സമ്മറിലൊക്കെ ഒരു 16 മാക്സിമം പോകും. പിന്നെ വിൻ്ററിൽ മാക്സിമം ഒരു -17.
கன்னியாகுமரி தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்குது. நான் இவானோ ஃப்ரான்சிஸ் நேஷ்னல் மெடிக்கல் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் படிக்கிறேன். இதுதான் எங்கள் யூனிவர்சிட்டி. அப்புறம் யூனிவர்சிட்டி பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா எஜுகேஷன் ஸ்டடீஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லாயிருக்கு. ப்ராக்டிக்கல் கிளாஸ், அனாட்டமி கிளாஸ், எவ்ரிதிங் குட். அப்புறம் லாஸ்ப்ரோ எஜுகேஷன் கன்சல்டன்சி மூலமாக இங்கே வந்தேன். கன்சல்டன்சி எர்ணாகுளத்தில் ஒரு பிரான்ச் இருக்குது, இப்போ திருவனந்தபுரத்தில் ஒரு பிரான்ச் இருக்குது. அவங்க தான் எல்லாம் விசா ப்ராசஸிங் எல்லாம் அவங்க தான் பார்த்தாங்க. அப்புறம் இங்கே வந்து வெதர் பார்த்தோம்னா விண்டரில் -17, -18 அந்த ரேஞ்சுக்கு இருக்கும். சம்மரில் மேக்ஸிமம் 16 அந்த ரேஞ்சில் இருக்கும் செல்சியஸ்.